Have you ever wondered how water affects your brain? Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the world of hydration and brain health. Water, a simple yet essential element of life, plays a significant role in our overall well-being. But did you know it also has a profound impact on the function and performance of our brains? From memory to mood, focus to creativity, water has unexpected and often overlooked influences on our cognitive abilities. Lack of hydration can lead to brain fog, reduced concentration, and even mood swings. On the flip side, staying hydrated can enhance memory, boost mood, and improve focus. The connection between our brains and hydration is complex and captivating, with many hidden facets waiting to be discovered. So, if you've been taking your water intake for granted, it's time to rethink. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the intriguing world of hydration and brain health. Scene script. Let's unravel the science behind hydration and its impact on the brain. The human brain, that marvel of biological engineering, is composed of nearly 75% water. Yes, you heard that right. 3/4 of your brain is water. This vital fluid plays a crucial role in every function it performs. Water is the highway for all the traffic in your brain. It's the medium through which all the electrical messages that your neurons send are transmitted. These signals, in turn, control everything from thought and memory to movement and speech. So, when you're properly hydrated, these messages travel efficiently, keeping your brain functioning at peak performance. But that's not all. Water is also a shock absorber. It cushions the brain and spinal cord, protecting these delicate structures from injury. Furthermore, water facilitates the production of hormones and neurotransmitters, the brain's chemical messengers. When you're dehydrated, these processes can be impaired, leading to issues like fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and mood changes. So, how much water does your brain need? The answer isn't straightforward. It varies depending on factors like your age, gender, weight, and activity level. However, experts generally recommend that adults consume at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water a day, which equals about 2 liters, or half a gallon. Studies have shown the importance of hydration for brain function. For instance, research published in the Journal of Nutrition found that even mild dehydration can impair cognitive functions, such as attention, critical thinking, and motor coordination. In another study, published in the journal Frontiers in Human Neuroscience, scientists discovered that higher water intake could enhance brain performance, particularly in tasks that require attention, memory, and motor skills. These findings underscore the critical role hydration plays in brain function and overall cognitive health. They remind us that staying hydrated isn't just about quenching thirst. It's about nourishing our brains and enabling them to perform at their best. That's the science, but how does this play out in real life? Now, let's take a look at some real-life hydration experiments. Imagine a marathon runner pushing through mile 23. Her body is screaming for water, but she's determined to cross the finish line. After the race, she's asked to complete a series of mental tasks. Compared to her performance before the race, she struggles, her reaction time slower, her answers less accurate. This is a simple illustration of how dehydration affects cognitive function, a fact that athletes and adventurers have long known. In a more controlled environment, researchers have also examined the brain's response to hydration. In one experiment, participants were asked to refrain from drinking overnight. The next morning, they underwent brain scans and completed cognitive tests. The results were compared to the same tests performed after they had consumed a glass of water. Scans revealed that even mild dehydration led to shrinkage of brain tissue, similar to what happens during the early stages of Alzheimer's. In another study, participants were divided into 2 groups. One group was given ample water to drink, while the other was restricted. Both groups were then subjected to a series of mental tasks. The hydrated group performed significantly better, showcasing quicker reaction times and higher accuracy. These experiments, whether in the lab or the real world, consistently demonstrate that hydration is crucial to brain function. Even slight dehydration can impair memory, decrease attention span, and slow down cognitive processing. But it's not all about cognition. Hydration also has a profound effect on mood. In a fascinating study, participants who were mildly dehydrated reported feeling significantly more anxious and fatigued than when they were fully hydrated. These findings, while not exhaustive, paint a clear picture. Hydration isn't just about quenching thirst, it's about maintaining optimal brain function and mental well-being. So the next time you're feeling a little sluggish or out of sorts, don't reach for the coffee, grab a glass of water instead. From these experiments, it's clear that hydration plays a significant role in brain function. But how does hydration influence our memory, mood, and focus? Let's dive in. Water, the elixir of life, plays a vital role in our cognitive functions. When we talk about memory, hydration is like the unsung hero in the backdrop. Several studies suggest that even mild dehydration can impair our short-term memory. Imagine forgetting where you left your keys or what you had for breakfast, all because you didn't drink enough water. Now let's talk about mood. You know those days when you're just feeling a bit off? You might not be sick, but you're not quite yourself either. Could it be that you're just not hydrated enough? Research shows that dehydration can lead to mood swings, feelings of anxiety, and even depression. Drinking water is not just about quenching thirst, it's also about maintaining emotional equilibrium. Moving on to focus, our ability to concentrate and stay on task. Picture yourself working on an important project or studying for an upcoming exam. Your mind needs to be sharp, alert, and focused. But without sufficient hydration, your cognitive performance might take a hit. Studies have found that dehydration can make it harder to focus, resulting in decreased productivity and performance. Experts suggest that the reason behind these effects is that dehydration causes the brain to work harder than it otherwise would. When the brain is dehydrated, it has to expend more energy to accomplish the same tasks, leading to feelings of fatigue and cognitive decline. So, what's the takeaway here? Water is not just a thirst quencher, it's a vital component of our cognitive machinery. It's the oil that keeps the gears of our brain running smoothly. Whether it's remembering where you left your keys, staying in a good mood, or focusing on your work, hydration plays a key role. So maintaining proper hydration can significantly boost our cognitive abilities. Knowing all this, how can we ensure we're staying properly hydrated? A question that paves the way to our practical tips for maintaining hydration throughout the day. Let's debunk some common myths about hydration and set the record straight. First off, the 8 glasses a day rule isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Your hydration needs depend on numerous factors like your age, gender, physical activity level, and the climate you live in. Instead of sticking to a rigid count, listen to your body. Craving water or feeling thirsty? That's a sign you need to hydrate. Don't wait until you're parched to reach for a drink. By the time you feel thirsty, your body is already mildly dehydrated. Make it a habit to sip on water throughout the day. Now let's bust another myth. While water is crucial, it's not the only source of hydration. Eating water-rich fruits and vegetables like watermelons, cucumbers, and grapefruits can also contribute to your daily hydration quota. Even beverages like milk and juice can help, but be mindful of the sugar content. Here's a tip that can make a world of difference. Start your day with a glass of water. After a long night's rest, your body wakes up dehydrated. Quenching your thirst first thing in the morning not only hydrates you but also kickstarts your metabolism. Lastly, let's talk about sports drinks. They're often marketed as the ultimate hydration solution, especially after a strenuous workout. While they can replenish lost electrolytes and provide quick energy, they're usually packed with sugars. Plain water is often enough for most people, but if you're an athlete or have had an intense workout, a sports drink might not be a bad idea. Remember, good hydration habits don't develop overnight. It takes consistency and mindfulness to keep your body and brain well hydrated. But the benefits are worth it. Improved concentration, better mood, enhanced creativity, the list goes on. With these tips, you're well equipped to keep your brain hydrated and functioning at its best. Water and your brain, a vital connection that's often overlooked. We've journeyed through the science behind hydration, witnessed real-life experiments, and discovered how water impacts our memory, mood, and focus. We've seen that staying well hydrated is not just about quenching thirst, it's about fueling our brain, the very organ that orchestrates our thoughts, emotions, and actions. We've also shared practical tips to help you stay hydrated effortlessly, making it a seamless part of your daily routine. Remember, it's not just about drinking 8 glasses of water a day, it's about understanding your body's unique needs and responding accordingly. Your brain is about 60% water. When you hydrate, you're not just refreshing your body, you're also nourishing your mind. It's an investment in your cognitive health, your mood, your creativity, and ultimately, your quality of life. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content like this video, and drop your comments below if you have any questions or suggestions. Until next time, stay hydrated for a healthier mind.